and I cried. So, but that shouldn't shock anybody. So.
Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we are at the Magic Kingdom and we are going to be checking out the new nightly fireworks spectacular that they have here at the park known as Enchantment. So stick around, check it out. We're going to show you the whole thing. We're also going to check out some of the new 50th anniversary stuff. It's going to be a whole lot of fun, so let's go.
Let's go. So speaking of new 50th anniversary stuff here, we see beautiful Cinderella pumpkin wreath.
It's kind of funny because they had just put up the Halloween stuff about a month ago, and now apparently they're going with this for Halloween. It's not even Halloween yet, so they've already changed it halfway through.
Yeah, and I'll link that video down below where we checked out the fall merch previously.
Yep.
Cool. Hey guys, so we have some new bunting here with that gorgeous jewel. I love some of them. I think I remember seeing the sign at Animal Kingdom though.
I don't know about this same one, but having this big jewel right here is giving me like a boo kind of moment. I want to take it.
A boo from, okay, a boo from, Jazz,
stuck
from
on
Aladdin.
there pretty good.
Yeah.
I wouldn't really try that hard though.
No. Alright guys, and we see the Fab, I think it's like the 8 now because there's a bunch of people coming out, in their newest celebration outfits. So there's Goofy, and then Chip and Dale. Oh, they look so nice. And then we see Mickey and Minnie, Donald and Daisy, and then of course, Pluto. They all look so beautiful. Oh, I do love Minnie's dress. She's looking like a whole treat. Very cute. Hello! What do you think?
Yeah, they're all decked out in purple and gold, looking mighty fancy.
Yeah.
Definitely like the change in outfit. I can't figure out, I guess it's a dog tag hanging from Pluto's neck. It kind of looks like a medallion or a badge or something.
Like a badge of honor.
Yeah. It's like, what did he do? Is he like the lion from the Wizard of Oz? Got his
courage.
That's
Yeah.
what it looks like.
Badge of courage. Let's see if we can focus on it. It's on his left-hand side. Oh, you kind of can see it right there. That's cute. Alright guys, so there are some glares through the window here, but we will pop into the Emporium and check out all of the 50th anniversary merch that we haven't seen yet. So, oh hey, that's pretty. Wow, look at that necklace. That's nice. You see Tinkerbell on the top, and then fireworks, and then the castle. That's cute. Alright guys, so even in the Emporium, they have upgraded some of the things. We see some bunting up top, and we see some new like wallpaper over here, which is super awesome. But I think what I want that. Can I have that? No.
Sure.
Okay, thanks, honey. I gotta carry it around with me all day though, right?
Right, yeah.
That's funny.
Well, we got the truck. I mean, you can put it in the back of the truck, and my first reaction was, where are you going to put it? But I'm sure you'd find room.
I would find room for that, 100%. So they have this awesome 50th anniversary mug, which I am loving. That is for $23. They have a blanket here, if you're into blankets. That's right there. And I don't know how much that is, because there's no sign. And then we have the 50th anniversary ears, which look adorable as well. Those retail for, I have no idea, because there's no sign. Alright, so here we have the starter set of 4 and it comes with a lanyard. Okay, nice. So you see Minnie, Mickey, oh wow, for $33. Okay. Here we have Donald and Daisy, and that retails for yellow, so that is $13. And then we've got Mickey and Minnie, and then Mickey and Minnie around the castle. And this one is also for $13. Alright guys, so
mystery pin.
Yeah, so here is the mystery pin collection. So you don't know what you're going to get, but that's pretty cool. And that retails for 18 bucks. Alright, so if you want a lollipop as big as your head for 30 bucks, come to the Emporium. They have one as big as Lewis's head. For scale. Alright guys, so here we have the 50th anniversary, or a 50th anniversary shirt. So you see the monorail, we see Dumbo, we see, who is that? Rex, we see the Yeti, the Everest rather, the Millennial Falcon, the Outpost. Oh, and then even over here, we see Tron. That's neat.
Wow.
Covers all the things.
$37.
Alright, 37 bucks. Come and get it. Now, if gold is your color, there is a hoodie for you. And this retails for $60. Okay, we have this tote bag, which is super adorable, that retails for $40. Kind of nice. That would be a very nice beach bag. It's like vinyl. Here we have a gold photo frame for $35. Hi guys, so the Emporium was super cool. Still some cool stuff. Maybe we'll get some things later. We're gonna head over to the confectionery. I heard they recently expanded it, so we'll go see what cool treats we can get there. Let's go. All right, heading into Main Street Confectionery. Let's go see what they have. Wow, so they've expanded it since the last time we were here. And they've reworked this whole space. All right, let's go check out what we can see in the store. So this used to be the chapeau, or the hat place, and they've made this a popcorn stand? Popcorn shop? Well, Lewis doesn't like popcorn, so we're not gonna get any of that.
Especially not this kind. This is the worst kind of popcorn.
Are you crazy? The cheddar popcorn is the best.
No, like this one.
That is awesome.
Terrible.
It's so good. Ugh,
and,
so good.
It's like popcorn doesn't get better with time. These things always like get stale sitting around.
I know, but you get to mix stuff in it. Like you can pick your popcorn and then you get to mix things in it, like candy and stuff.
People get those big like things for Christmas.
Yeah, you hate those.
That's disgusting.
I think they're great. If you guys can see through the glass here, hopefully you can because of the glare. It's candy popcorn, so you get to pick your popcorn if you want to add a syrup, and then you can add some candies to it. Pretty cool. Alright guys, so there is one of the 50th anniversary snacks. I believe this is a sugar cookie made with Skittles. Alright, oh no, this is supposed to be M&M's. Okay, so, the Skittles one is to the left over there. So this one is the peanut butter cookie pies in the back. So I guess this one right here is the 50th anniversary one. Alright. Alright guys, so it is 7:30. We have an hour and 45 minutes, hour and a half, 2 hours?
Hour and a half.
We have an hour and a half until everything goes off. So we're all set up here on Main Street, and we are pumped to be able to show you guys all the projections that are going to be on the castle. We will try to get some stuff down Main Street, but no promises. But we are pumped because we also have a tripod, so hopefully things will be super still.
Good evening, friends. Tonight, a special magic flows through this majestic castle. The magic of fantasy. We gather together as our dreams ignite the swirling pixie dust, creating a beacon that shines out in celebration of 50 years of the most magical place on earth.
Tonight we gather in a most enchanted place, one overflowing with the magic of dreams come true. Those who venture here filled with hope, in search of this magic, leave inspired, changed by what they discover. If you dare to embark on this journey, you too may find what you seek, and perhaps something even greater, so long as you simply believe. I remember someone told me fairy tales can come true. You gotta make them happy. It all depends on you. This town can slow you down. People taking the easy way. But I know exactly where I'm going. Closer, closer every day. I'm almost there. Almost there. People out here think I'm crazy, but I don't care. Trials and tribulations, I've had my share. But I climb the mountain, I'm close. Sometimes the world seems against you. The journey may leave a scar. But scars can heal and reveal just who you are. People you love change. The things you learn to guide you. And nothing on earth can silence the quiet voice still inside you. In fact, lies within you. This magical kingdom remains a beacon to those with a wish in love, gifting every person who walks through these gates this enchantment. Look inside yourself and realize that you have everything you need to make all your dreams come true. Anything is possible, for you are the magic.
Oh, just believe in the close your eyes. You can go anywhere by soul. Yeah, it's all a
So we just watched Harmonious, and we want to collect our thoughts. Comparatively speaking to the last nighttime show, what is it? Happily Ever After? Yeah.
It was just a week ago we saw that.
I know. Comparatively speaking, it is a different show. I do like this one, but I think I liked Happily Ever After just a little bit more, just a smidge more. So I'm glad we were able to capture that in one of the final showings on our channel. So, but honey, what were your thoughts about it?
Yeah, well, I did think it was great.
Yeah.
I did like it all the way through. Again, all the Disney movies were represented, especially more of the modern ones. So I think it's going to appeal probably to the next generation. You know, but yeah, I kind of echo your sentiment. I did like Happily Ever After a little bit better.
Yeah.
You know, the scene with Aladdin and Happily Ever After. And, you know,
yeah, the genie in the rocket ship.
Getting in the rocket, taking off.
Yeah, that
I
was
thought
awesome.
that was spectacular.
Yeah.
This one, it was good, but I think a lot of the characters too were projected on the second tier of the castle, which kind of hid them behind some of the turrets. Made them a little harder to see, and I kind of wanted to see a little bit more of the castle being integrated into the show.
Right.
But overall, I thought it was really good.
Yeah, no, I will say, at least for for Happily Ever After, like the clock dance and the 50th anniversary circle moved, and I don't think I saw that on this one. So, but I will say I liked how Frozen was integrated in this show. The fireworks were cool, and we saw more fire this time than we've had in other shows.
Yeah,
That was really
a little,
awesome.
like dark scene there. I was kind of expecting some villains to come out.
know.
Unfortunately, they never did.
Right, but Night on Bald Mountain, like one of my favorite songs, right? So that was pretty cool. So I will give a check mark to that. For sure.
But some new elements that I did notice. Right, they had different fireworks. Some of them had different styles, different shapes.
Yeah.
You know, they weren't all just your standard, big, bright, blossoming looking type of fireworks. They had some shapes to them.
Yeah.
And also too, we noticed, we didn't capture it because we're facing towards the castle, but down Main Street, they had projections all down Main Street as well. So it might be worth probably trying to set up down that way one time and try to get some views there. So if you come, you may get another different experience if you're down Main Street.
For sure. So next time we come, we'll be farther down Main Street to hopefully capture some of that. But yeah, definitely had a great time, and we did enjoy the show. And I cried, so, but that shouldn't shock anybody. So, yeah.
Alright guys, so here's your pro tips for Enchantment at Magic Kingdom. They're going to be very similar to the pro tips that we did at Happily Ever After. Again, because the layout of the park doesn't really change, it's still the same idea here, but I would say number one is if you want a specific spot, make sure you get here early. Things do start to fill in about 2.5 hours early. However, if you do show up late, you can still get a great spot within the last 15 to 10 minutes or so. They're going to fill in more space. They're going to push everybody forward. There's going to be plenty of room for you to wiggle in there. No problem. Alright, and pro tip number 2 is, again, just be mindful of the cast members that are there to help keep everyone safe. They're trying to keep the pathways open before the start of the show. So whatever pathways are there, people can move through, and it's not just a giant cluster of people. So just listen to what they got to say and keep calm and move on. Alright, and pro tip number 3 is once you're done with the show, you can come right up here. You can get a great look at the castle. It's beautiful. You're going to get some great photos, get that Instagram pic. With very few people in the park, as everyone else is starting to head out. So, because everyone else is leaving, we're going to be getting on out of here too. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe down below. Tell us what your favorite part of the show is. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you next weekend.
Where are we?
Disney World.
What park?
Disney Magical Kingdom.
Okay. Magical Kingdom?
Magic Kingdom.
Oh my god, okay, go ahead.
Okay. Alright guys, so
you're gonna stand still?
I thought you were gonna be on this side.
No.
Alright guys, so here's your pro tips for
Enchantment. Okay.
Alright guys, so here's your pro tips for Enchantment at Magical Kingdom. Magic Kingdom. Alright.
Oh, okay, well, alright. Oh, this is so much heavier than the other one.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Probably try that one more time.